Tableau versus Power BI versus Looker. Which tool should you learn? Tableau, Power BI, and Looker are three of the most widely used data visualization tools in the world. Choosing the right one to learn depends on your context. Tableau is known for its visual depth and analytical power. It produces stunning, interactive dashboards and is widely used by data analysts and scientists in large enterprises. Tableau is platform independent but comes at a higher licensing cost. Power BI is Microsoft's offering and is deeply integrated with the Microsoft ecosystem. It works seamlessly with Excel, Azure, and Microsoft 365. Power BI is more affordable and is dominant in organizations that already use Microsoft products. It is the most widely adopted business intelligence tool globally by volume of users. Looker is built on a data modeling language called LookML. It is deeply integrated with Google Cloud and BigQuery. Looker is typically used by data engineering teams and larger organizations that want a governed, centralized analytics layer. So which should you learn? If your target employer uses Microsoft products, start with Power BI. If you want to work in a data analyst or consultant role, Tableau is broadly respected. If you want to work in cloud-native analytics on Google Cloud, Looker is worth learning. All three appear regularly in job postings worldwide. Learning one tool deeply is more valuable than surface knowledge of all three. Start with the one most relevant to your target role.